Hello viewers, I am Smita. Welcome to Karnataka kitchen. Today I am going to show you the preparation of Mexican rice. This is a one pot meal. Mexican rice is spicy, tasty, aromatic and can be packed in lunch box. Now let us look at the ingredients. I have taken 1 bowl cooked basmati rice, 1 onion cut into long pieces, 1 tomato cut into long pieces, 1 capsicum cut into long pieces, 3 green chilies cut into long pieces, 2 teaspoons of garlic. I have taken boiled vegetables, 3/4 bowl of corn, 3/4 bowl of beans, 3/4 bowl of carrots, half bowl of ripe beans, that is hannu hurlikai, and 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorns and salt to taste. For masala powder, dry roast coriander seeds, cumin seeds and peppercorns. Fry them till you get a nice aroma. Add into the mixie jar. Cool and grind into a fine powder. Keep a kadai on stove and add oil. Add garlic, onions, fry for a minute. Now add capsicum, carrots, beans, ripe beans, corn and fry for 2 minutes. Add green chilies, add freshly ground masala powder, red chili powder and mix. Now add tomatoes and salt and mix once. Add coriander leaves. Now add cooked rice and give it a good mix. Turn off the stove and cover with the lid and allow it to stand for 10 minutes. Let us check this. Mexican rice is ready. Garnish with coriander leaves and a tasty Mexican rice is ready to serve. Thank you for watching my video.